Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles. Still working. I just wanted to show you just like one tray of all the amazing things I'm going through. I found this tray on my shelf last night, and I've been going through all types of stuff. And this one shelf, or one tray, I've already sorted these things out, and I've got a bunch of watches, keys, a bunch of beads, all of these findings and things that are bagged and I need to undo. A big old tassel that I absolutely love. I'm obsessed with tassels, and I made a whole box just for my tassels. This is a charm I made. Just all of this. And let me swerve around slowly so I don't make you guys dizzy. But this is what I've been working on. And if you look over at my boxes, I've added so many boxes. And I have all these bulk beads. These are beads that I had used in projects and didn't want to separate and put into individual boxes. So I have a big box of blue. I've got autumn colors, Halloween colors, and Christmas. And then individual bags of pink, purple, green, white, clear, brown, neutrals are all mixed together, grays, blacks. That's what's in those bags there. And then these are all my findings and different things. And so this is the table I'm going through today. These are all things this is some beautiful findings my friend Vicky sent me that I'm excited about. But these are all different clasps, pieces of jewelry I made that I need to go through, little scraps and pieces, jewelry I did not make that I found that I like. These are all different chains. And then this is another tray I've got to go through that has more of my steampunk, really cool stuff on it. And then I've got a bunch of this type of stuff. Just trays of findings. And that's what this whole stack is right here. It's just miscellaneous. This is from years of stuff not being organized properly. Just tray after tray after tray of stuff. And this is because I'm pretty sure I got overwhelmed from the beginning. I didn't have this much space when I first started out. So things got put in boxes and they didn't get put away. But now that I have the space, every single thing is being dealt with. And then I have a few things down here. I've got a little bag in a box, the stuff I don't want. And that's all I've come up with is that one bag of loose beads and then a few pieces of jewelry in that little bin. I still have this big bin down here and that one over there that in time I'll go through. But once everything on this table is put away, and we'll go back around slowly, and all of this stuff is put away, then I will organize my cloth. I've got a couple, I got a file cabinet here. The middle drawer is yarn. I'm going to take that out. This top drawer is just old papers, bills, and stuff I'm going to shred. And then I can use that to organize some of my cloth and stuff over there. So I'll be done soon. When I'm done with the jewelry, I'm going to do a few jewelry videos. I have all my amazing Fimo clay and tools, all the stuff to do Fimo clay projects, and of course all my sequins and seed beads are all up on here, and those are my treasures, my felt. These two shelves are completely seed beads, sequins, and felt. But my top drawer in that file cabinet, you can see how deep it is. All of that is felt. Squares of felt and some larger pieces. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting's terrible. In that top drawer. Bottom drawer is just like old notebooks and paper type stuff. But the middle drawer is yarn, that's going to come out. And then that felt will be divided maybe into a couple of these other drawers. I haven't decided. But this has been so much fun just going through and finding just weird things like this. It's an old earring somebody made, but I love it. Just jewelry I can take apart for the gorgeous beads. This is just some of the autumn stuff I've got here I'm going to take apart. And I've got purples and oranges and greens. This is some spring colors here in a bag that I've got to organize. And some of these are gorgeous beads. And I've separated many of my beads, and then here's some more autumn colors. This is what I've been doing this last week since I did my last video. And I know a lot of people will be, why did you buy so much? This happened over 10 years. And I was buying bulk jewelry to sell. And a lot of this stuff came from buying bulk jewelry, which I sold a lot of it. And I've made a lot of money selling the pieces of jewelry that I pulled from these boxes. But, you know, you'd get 5 pounds of jewelry, sell 2 or 3, and end up with boxes of this kind of beautiful stuff. I mean, this is gorgeous, but it's not worth anything to resell it. So that's where I ended up with a lot of this stuff, is it's not worth reselling online, but it's worth it for the pieces and parts. Unusual pieces like this. I think this will make a nice pendant. And I'm going to be doing a lot of jewelry. And look at all these beautiful keys. Some of these I bought individually, like this one I bought in Arizona when we went on a trip to Tombstone. I paid, I think, $3 for that gorgeous brass key. But I'm just finding so many amazing and beautiful pieces. It's like Christmas every single day. I mean, just gorgeous things that I'm excited about. And I'm not going to sell any of this stuff. This is all stuff for now that I'm going to be using, because my goal is to finish organizing, which probably will be a couple more days. My husband's going to help me. Like I said, I have all of the, and there's some bags of cloth and stuff over here. He's going to help me with these tedious trays here. He's going to go through, separate all this stuff, get it organized so that I can put it away. So all this stuff, like I said, these are sorted. I just got to put them away. And then I've got these to finish sorting. I think by the end of the weekend I should be done with all of this. And I will maybe have to add, I've got 2 blank empty boxes. My husband has one I can have. I may have to buy 1 or 2 more because everything has a place on these shelves. I mean, I've got it down to where I used to have a lot of things lotted together. I've got my crimp beads separate, and I've got bracelet links like those when you take apart an elastic bracelet that has the 2 holes in it, and every link is its own piece, and they're just beautiful. Well, you can use those for earrings and all kinds of things. You know, I've got all my different jump rings, and you know, I've separated a lot of my, I've got vintage keys, not my skeleton keys, just my old vintage keys, and then my steampunk watch parts, just miscellaneous steampunk stuff, metal pendants, and then the vintage skeleton decorative keys and the new modern ones, and then my best charms, and then my tassels. I love tassels. So these are tassels, and I'm going to separate this further, and I had necklaces that I was going to accent, so I'm going to change it to just tassels, and then the necklaces will go on their own. So you know, I've got odd beads and things, stone and shell pendants, glass pendants, mostly silver, some different charms, antique brass charms, and then the beaded charms, glue-on bails, frame bails, choker ends, all kinds of different categories. And even in the beads, I got all the different metal beads categorized, and I've got all these different lampwork beads and check beads and all these different the fancier beads, what kinds they are, my paper bead collection, which is 3 tubs. And so it's all getting broken down into really detailed things. And then, like I said, I have a box. This is my autumn for like Thanksgiving and just autumn, and it's just all the autumn colors. Where this is more Halloween stuff, Christmas. And then I have so much blue. I have a whole tub of blue along with a couple boxes of blue up here somewhere. And then I got all the bags with the individual stuff and some charms, and just I'm really breaking it down into individual. These are some stones that are just stunning. I bought this whole lot of stone for really inexpensive, and all my different stone colors up here, and just breaking it down into very detailed things so that I know what I have. I mean, look at this beautiful necklace. This would be a great autumn necklace. I can take this focal piece, put a beaded fringe on it, change this chain. I mean, it's just so much beautiful chains, and it just, everywhere I turn, there's just amazing stuff that I can reuse. In time, I will do some lots of the stuff I don't want, and when I do, you'll be the first to know, because I will show you those lots, but that won't be anytime soon. This is all stuff I'm going through to use. I mean, gorgeous old bracelets like this that aren't worth selling, but have amazing pieces on them. So I love filigree. I have a whole box up there on my metal shelf. That cardboard box right there that's gold color, that's all filigree pieces. That's all things I took off of old pieces of jewelry. That's all filigree. all kinds of filigree, little, big, just anything you can think of that's filigree. The box above that, it's like a plastic shoebox, all turquoise, southwestern type stuff. So I'm really detailing it down so that I can know where everything is, and no matter what kind of jewelry I want to create, I can find it. But I just, so many. Just look at these autumn ones. So I'm very excited. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I'm very excited to get started on creating for you, but I just want to be able to do it right. So it's probably going to be another week of me going through stuff, but I'd say by sometime next week, I should be able to start making things every day, and I'm going to record as much of it as I can, even if they're simple things, showing you things I'm making with jewelry I had. And I just, oh, so pretty. Some of these things are, you can feel the quality of them. They're just beautiful. And so that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. I'm still working hard. I've been in here, except for Sunday was my husband's birthday. I did not come in here and work at all. Otherwise, I've been in here all day, every day. Monday and Tuesday, we had to take grandkids to the doctor, but beyond that, I was in here working all day. So, in fact, my eyes hurt so bad Monday. I think it was Monday. Let's see, today's Thursday. It was Tuesday. My eyes hurt so bad from sorting chain, I had to stop around 7 p.m. and leave the room because my eyeballs hurt so bad from looking at all the different chains and categorizing them and sorting them. And I've been putting all the chains in bags, see? And they'll get sorted into their own bins based on color and style and stuff like that. So it's been a lot of fun, but I cannot wait to get back to creating. I'm so inspired and excited. So I just wanted to catch you up on where I'm at. That's where I'm at right now. And I'm thinking by next week, I'll be ready to give you a tour of the studio, show you everything, and get started on some projects. I'm so excited. See, I even got all my tools piled up over here too that I've been working with. So it's just been really fun. I've just been watching YouTube while I work and just having fun. And I'll be back soon with an update and show you what I've been up to and show you my finished studio, and we'll get started on a bunch of projects. I'm hoping to do craft fairs this year, so I'm going to be making a lot of stuff, and I'll show you a lot of what I'm making, even if it's basic stuff, just showing you different things you can do. But look at all the watches I found. I'm so excited. And stuff like this that I can take apart. Oh, just so many wonderful, wonderful things. So I'll be back soon, and I'll keep you updated. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.